had a terrible issue. I had water coming in my basement and it damaged the carpet. I had mold. It was in my finished part along with my unfinished part of the basement, and it was a mess. The first crew that came was the waterproofing crew, and Sid was the head of that, and he's very, very experienced. I was very, very impressed. The second crew that came in, Kevin and Joe, they did the finishing work, which was the floor. And I couldn't believe it. They just worked very, very fast, and they knew exactly how to put this together, and I had no idea how it was gonna look. I was a little bit nervous initially, and when they got done, you know, they said, oh, you're gonna be very, very pleased, and I love the floor. I absolutely love the floor. And, you know, I loved the way that they worked. They came in here, took care of business, and just did an excellent job with waterproofing my basement. I absolutely would refer Connecticut Basements. The company is solid, it's trustworthy, they do what they say they're gonna do, and it's a quality product and a lifetime guarantee. It doesn't get better than that.